Hi guys, so right now I want us to look at how one can be able to change your Facebook page from like add a friend button to follow button. As you can see here, this is my page. So first of all, let's see how you are viewing it as a user, Facebook user. As you understand that you don't really need add friend button. What you need is a follow button. When you use a follow button, you're going to get more followers than when you use an add friend. Add friend is becoming old school, but when you have a follow button, that is what people are using. When you visit so many Facebook pages with many followers, you will find that they have a follow button instead of add friend button. So first of all, let's see how my page looks like. Come here, click on these three dots here, and just click on this view as, so you can view how my page looks like on the other end. So as you can see, my page has a follow button. So when you click on my page and when I comment on other pages, you're going to see that I'm following, as in I have this follow button. So I'm viewing as public. So when someone goes to my page or finds my link page, he's going to see that I have this follow button. And this is what many people have been trying to look for: how to change add friend or to request a friend to change into this follow button. So you can exit viewers from this icon here, and let's go and change that button to add friend first of all. Then you can see how to go and change it into the other side of follow button. So first of all, you're going to go to this icon up here where you have your profile picture, and see, I hover my cursor over there. You can see it is showing that this is my account. So click on it. So that's my name. So just click on settings and privacy. Now setting of privacy, click on settings. Once you click on settings, come here and click on privacy. When you click on privacy, you're going to see this section here. We have all these links, but let's concentrate on privacy. So under privacy, you're going to see that we have all these options: privacy shortcuts, check few things, manage your profile, learn more, basics. We have your activity. Then you can see who can request your future posts. It is public. Then review all your posts and things you are tagged in. Limit the audience for posts and so on. Then you have this icon here. You can see the people, pages, and list you follow. I've set it to only me. You can edit it here. Then how people can find you and contact you. Who can send you friend requests. I've set it to friends of friends. Now at this point, we're going to check on how to edit on this. Then as you can see, my page that down there is just a normal settings that you're going to have them. Just you can leave the others as the way they are as a default, but concentrate on this section: who can send you friend requests. As you can see, I have turned this on to friends of friends. Then I've also turned this: who can see your friends list. I've turned it to only me. Now just click this icon here, edit. Now as you click on this drop down, you can see let's change this to everyone. Now once you change this to everyone, you're going to have that section of follow button turn to add friend instead of follow button. And when I click on friends of friends, Facebook is going to note that you're forcing it to have a follow button instead of a add friend button, because you understand that you have restricted who can send you friend requests. You have restricted to just friends of friends. So the Facebook will be forced to turn that button into a follow button. So let's click on everyone so they can see my page turning into add friend button instead of follow button. So let's see, click on everyone. Then once we're done with that, let's go then and click on public post. Then I want us to view us and see how on our page our button looks like. Has it changed from follow button to add friend button? So click on this as view us. And there you have it. You have my page turning into add friend button from follow button. Now the problem that most of us has is that we want to change this to become a follow button. So I'm going to exit view as public, and I'm going to now change this button into a follow button instead of add friend button. So exit viewers, then as you said, just come here, account, settings and privacy, then click on settings, then come to privacy. Now once you come to privacy, you're going to see all these privacy settings tools. We have privacy shortcuts, we have view activity, we have how people can find you and contact you, we have how you get message requests, and so on. So I said that the only part we're going to concentrate with, it's only this section, who can send you friend requests. As you can see, when it is set to everyone, that means that Facebook is just going to add friend button instead of a follow button. But when you limit Facebook from everyone seeing that button, everyone who can sending you friend requests, Facebook is going to be forced to turn that icon into follow button. Let's see how it goes. Now click on edit. Here I'm going to have this drop down and change this to friends of friends. Now this means that you are limiting Facebook to make sure that you're forcing Facebook to change your button from add friend to follow button. Let's see. Just click on friends of friends. That's done. Then just leave it. Then go to public posts. Then down here we have this button of view as. We want to view as public. Check what your profile looks like to others. Use viewers to see what the public sees. What are you going to be seeing when you come to my page now? Let's click on view as, and definitely there we have it, the follow button. So definitely anytime that you're going to come to my page, you're going to be seeing a follow button instead of a add friend button. And this follow button is going to be of more significance because you're going to have more people following me. So with those many remarks, I'm very sure that I've assisted many. And in case you have more questions or any other comment or any other way you want me to assist you, just have it down there in the comment section. You can also like, share this video, and I actually request you to subscribe for more content as this one. So with those many helpful remarks, all the best.